Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Open your science book, page 76. Farm animals. Today is Monday, the 7th of March, 2021. Our lesson today is farm animals. When I say farm animals, animals that belong to mammals, birds, and fishes. Okay, mammals usually covered with fur or hair or wool and have 4 legs, mouth, such as sheep, cows, lambs, and rabbits. But birds covered with feather and have beak, such as pigeon, duck, hen, and rooster. Okay? Again, farm animals تنتمي لثلاث مجموعات: الماملز الثدييات، البيردز الطيور، والفيشز الأسماك. الماملز في إلها properties خصائص تميزها. يغطي جسمها الفرو والشعر أو الصوف، وتمتلك 4 أرجل بالإضافة للفم. البيردز covered with يغطي جسدها الريش، وتمتلك have beak المنقار. So again, farm animals belong to mammals, birds, and fishes. Okay, here we have example. We have sheep and chicken. Tell me, what is the type of sheep that belong to fishes, birds, or mammals? The sheep belong to mammals. So the sheep belong to mammals, but chicken belong to birds. Okay, now tell me about the body covering. What is the body covering of sheep? It is wool. But the chicken? Feather. Okay, what about legs? Sheep have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. But chicken have 2 legs. 1, 2. And also 2 wings. Okay, what about the mouth or beak? The body parts. Here, look at the sheep. The sheep have what? Mouth. The sheep have what? Mouth. But the chicken have what? Like birds, have beak. Okay? So that's for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.